Right, hello everyone, it's Sheila back with a Happy Meal, and this is my great grandson Eddie. Say hello.
Hello.
And he's going to help me open it up and see what's in it. So we're going to cut this tape off first, aren't we? Because there's loads of tape on, isn't there?
Probably.
Let's see if you can find it.
Probably a big one, that.
I'm going to cut it there.
Yeah.
Maybe cut it there, and I think I'll cut it just across here.
We just like a little note here.
Yeah, it's got my name on there.
Oh, so don't forget. There's more tape on it. Now there's more tape. Look, there's like more tape.
There's more tape under there, but I'm just cutting it across here because it's going to... There's an awful lot of tape in it.
And bubble wrap.
And there's stuff inside as well. That's got tape on.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, that's different tape.
Yeah, well, say that down, you'll get hold of that. Oh, there, that's it.
Look at us.
There's a note in. I'll say what the note says first. Just to say a big thank you for your educational and inspirational logs. Best wishes and have a wonderful birthday. You are an amazing lady. Happy birthday from Glynis. This is from Glynis in West Yorkshire.
Wait,
so,
it's a happy birthday cup, happy birthday wrapping on it.
Well, got happy birthday on. Well, that's what the lady says on the letter. So,
Just need to cut the tape.
Take cut this bit of tape off here.
Oh, it's got wool in it. It's got wool.
Yeah, it's got some wool in as well.
I'm going to get some wool wrap.
It's easier just to tear it, isn't it?
Wait, it's got a birthday present in.
Yeah, it's got happy birthday. It's got a box inside with happy birthday.
It's got lots of wool and stuff, and it's got a card and stuff.
It's got some wool in.
It's got a present.
The back, see if there's there's some wool in the back. That's open.
Ooh. This is wool.
So what we've got there, we've got some
sparkling ones.
300 gram balls of weight. That's from Home Bargains, and some grey as well. So there's three balls of weight and a ball of grey.
Yeah.
But Eddie's more interested in what's in the birthday thing, aren't you? I don't usually open them till my birthday, but we're going to open it today because Eddie wants to know what's in it. And that's the birthday card on there, so I'll tear that off careful.
You don't want to break it up.
Ooh. It's tearing all bits off. Oh, you will tear the paper off and see what's in.
It's got tape on it.
There's a shiny tape on it. Now there's another box underneath with loads of tape on, isn't it? It's like past the parcel, isn't it, when you get all things of tape on. You take that off, but it's stuck on the bottom.
Put that on this one.
We'll open this and see. This is as we'll have to cut the tape.
Oh, lost something to say what it is.
Off.
Something open it or something.
Anyway.
I think it's just like a toolbox or something. Do you think? No way.
Well, it's a shoebox. There must be something in the put something in the shoebox.
No, it's look, it's got a shoe on it, so it has to be his shoes. It's got to be shoes.
No, I don't think the shoes. I think somebody's used the shoebox to put something in. If I can get the tape off, I can. But it's so well
done
down here. Oh, there, we're pulling it off, look at. Pulled off so much. There's some more on that wheel, I'll have to pull that bit off. It's like a...
Yeah.
It's a maze. There's some more tape on down this side as well.
On this side too? No, it's not. Yeah, one. There's one on my side. There's another one.
Yeah, there's more tape all over. I'll have to cut it and see if I can pull it off all the way around.
probably something big.
Yeah, off that bit there. It's nearly round the other side.
It's on this one. And on the top. Oh wait, we don't have to do it on the top. On here too.
Yeah, I think it'll open up from there though.
Oh,
It's food and biscuits. Oh, somebody started something here. So another lady sent me food. What's that then? Let's have a look.
know.
Extra whole hairspray for me hair. I have to use
Wait,
that
there's
when I go to bingo the night. Biscuits.
And there's
Oh,
some
McVitie's Tasties, they're nice.
in there.
And
Peanuts.
no, they're buttermintos.
Oh,
They're minty sweets, and they are minty humbugs.
Wait, there's a pen. There's a pen in there.
Oh yeah, there's a pen. That's handy, isn't it?
We've got more
No,
crackers.
Abernethy, my favourite biscuits. I love them biscuits. I'll put them under there.
Wait,
I'll show them.
I want
Abernethy. I'll show everybody what we've got because we've been too busy taking them out to show them, haven't we?
Most healthy.
Mint humbugs.
Most healthy.
Buttermintos. You hold them up and say, show what they are. Tell them what they are.
Ooh, bingo.
Ooh, bingo dubbers.
Yeah, let's see them. Here, wait.
Yeah.
And
When you
then-
pick something up, you hold it up and show everybody what it, tell them what it is.
It's just like a little bag.
It's a
like
bag. It's for
Like
putting knitting and things in.
Yeah.
And I've got bingo dubbers.
The next time when you go to bingo, you have brand new ones.
In them envelopes for me knitting patterns.
And bubbles. And bubbles.
On
Bubbles.
things for me hair.
Yeah.
And that's
There's lots of this stuff.
like a diary. A knitting diary, there is.
More biscuits.
Oh, there's more Abernethy. 2 Abernethy.
What's this?
Underarm deodorant. That's for putting under your arms to
Oh,
make
yeah,
you
I see
smell nice. This one's
Dove, when
this
I
one's
have-
Dove.
Because
Because everybody knows I'm allergic to perfume, and Dove's the only ones I can put under my arms,
What
or
about
they
this
make
one?
us itchy.
What's this?
And that's lipstick, I think, is it?
Yeah, it probably is.
I don't know. Look, wind it.
Yeah.
Oh, it's not lips. I thought it was lips.
So yeah,
It's
eyebrows.
needles, sewing needles, look at.
That's cool.
Sewing needles.
More paper or something. I don't know what these are.
Oh, they are envelopes for to put me knitting patterns in. Oh, and look at what's them.
Scissors.
Little
Look.
pair, show them on there then. Little
This is-
scissors.
Scissors. That's cool. Look at it. It's like
They're
a
little
tiny scissors.
nice, like those colours. Bunny colours, pastel colours in them all
Like
over
the
them.
purple, green, blue,
Yellow,
yellow.
all colours in them then, right? And that's got sewing needles in, it's not lipstick.
That's cool. This is actually a lot.
And that's sellotape.
Salty.
2 rolls of sellotape for me knitting patterns. And you're coming out of the picture a bit there, come in a little bit. And that's all that's in there, and that's off Glynis. So say thank you very much, Glynis, for my Nana's birthday.
Thank you for
Glynis.
thank you, Glynis.
He's saying thank you to Glynis for that lovely thing.
The present.
For my happy birthday. I don't usually open things for my birthday, but anyone didn't know what was in it, so I had to open it. And they are envelopes for me knitting patterns.
I thought it was like shoes or something.
The envelopes you see there, like what I've got in the other room.
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
this.
it tells you on there.
25.
That's where I buy my envelopes from as well, from Home Bargains.
It's you get wait. They're both 25. They're both
There's
25.
25 in, yeah.
So they'll be 50.
So that's
They'll
my
be 50.
birthday happy meal, isn't it?
Yeah.
And a lot of stuff in there, isn't it? And I have to put it all back in the box now. And put it away till my birthday, because my birthday is not a Tuesday.
Just me to wrap it back up.
We'll put all these back in, eh? And I think you deserve a packet of sweets for that, don't you, Eddie?
Yeah.
What have you been asking for all afternoon?
Also a pen.
And a pen, oh,
Yeah,
that's
my
That's the one, look at.
That's like one of the ones with
One of
cheese
those
colours.
pens with all the different colours on. Well, there's 3, I think. There's a 3 or
Blue,
4. 3 or 4
green,
colours. Blue,
red,
red,
and
green,
black.
and black.
That's all.
Yes, there's 4. There's 4 colours on it. I've got one of them pens like that. It's got about.
Oh yeah, it's got 4 of them.
Mm-hmm. It's got more colours in.
Wait, nah,
The
no,
other one
wait.
I've got.
Put it here. Put the bubbles like there.
The bubbles there.
We'll put the bag at the top, you know, at the top.
So on the top that was it? Just put the biscuits in. Down there. Oh, I don't have to buy any biscuits this week.
Oh, yeah.
I've got 3 packets in here. And I don't have to buy any sweets either because I've got 2 packets of them.
Oh, there's your,
They're minty ones. They're called mint humbugs, them ones.
yeah.
And there's some more.
I know what to
More
put
of
this.
them. And I'll put the card in because I'll not open my card until my birthday.
Yeah, and I'm gonna wrap it up like this and then
That's
put
the
it in there.
scissors. I'll put them down there like that. And
I'll just do a lot of stuff.
there.
That's a lot of stuff, isn't it? That was a... Wait,
And, oh yes, we put that in down the side there.
put the scissors.
There, that's all nicely packed in again. No, I haven't put that in. Look at the hairspray and the sellotape.
Where did I put it?
Somebody packed it better, didn't they? That there, and that there.
Oh,
in
you
the,
couldn't have put it next
in
to
the
it.
sellotape. I'm going to have to pack it again later, but I'll do it after because.
Yeah.
And then there like that. We'll put that lid down there, and that's.
You just need to wrap it back.
That is my happy meal for today from Glynis. Brought to you by me and Eddie, my great grandson. So bye for now.
Bye.
Bye. We'll stop it now, before it goes off.